Ademabiko, Obone Yatage, Akanachi State, Anambra Soludo, Tag, Obrone Yatage, Obrone, send area this video, He's a governor of a state. We respect that. Mogo Fodo, our leaders, the Poronga governors, Anaha Masuchai, they are human beings anyway. And that is why they need people to criticize them so that Kahamane Behana Garong. Mobiha Kuruna de Homa, Mobiha Merana de Homa, so that they can make amends, you know. So I want to correct this impression and this statement from Soludo, Nokwa Hoku, that in Nto Hapon Nnamdi Kanu Werike, Ogaha Kuse Enwegi Chekwana Alibo. And I want to say that statement is unfortunate. That statement is wrong. That statement is demoralizing. And that statement is a setback. Yes, it is a setback to every of our efforts. That statement alone, coming from a governor, is a big blow against Mbale Aina Abale, advocacy Aina Eme, Nnamdi Kanu. That statement shouldn't have come from a governor from the southeastern Nigeria. And it shouldn't have come from a governor that once visited Nnamdi Kanu in DSS custody. So what am I saying? Nnamdi Kanu, we know. It's not about Nnamdi Kanu knowing. We know that some of these people who how Biafra agitators, Biafra this and that are criminals. How undoshi? They were criminals. So, because it is Nnamdi Kanu, Group Kapata, Hasina how Biafra agitator, Group Kapata, Hasina Nde Kidnapata, Hasina Makanam de Kan AJG, Ndenebu Marapota, Hasina Makanam de Kan AJG, Ndene Menkana Babunde police, Nababundame. Apota, Hasina because of Nnamdi Kanu. When we know that this crop of people are not Biafran agitators. These people who impostors, they are gate crashers. And of course, no Igbo man will support the spilling or shedding of blood. No Igbo man. Onwe Igbo. Amushiri ike na ala Igbo. Atorontale ya na ala Igbo. Aturu imi na ala Igbo. Mpeya Igbo. Ga kwado nkwafu obara. Ndi Igbo anya na akwafu obara. That is one thing people don't understand. Apart from Christianity, we are highly spiritual people. We believe in Kama. We believe in Kama. I believe. And we believe that no one chika chinile nele na akwa onye ọwụlọ ụgwọ dịka ọrịa siri dị anya na akwafu ọbara dịka ndị Igbo. Ihụrụ ọbara ihụrụ akwafuge n'ala Igbo. Check here their antecedents. Check here their background. Check here their parenthood. Check here ndị mụrụ ha ni. Check here ọbara gbago onye ahụ n'ahụ. Ọwụghị ọbara dị ala nwafọ Igbo. Atorontale ya tụọ imie ejiri ọbara onye Igbo tụọ imie. Check them well. So Soludo should know by now that ihe a na-eme n'ala Igbo, because Nnamdi Kanu ekwuole. After happen Nnamdi Kanu today, I am still saying it. After happen Nnamdi Kanu today, 90% of this crime in Ahuna will disappear. They will just dissolve. Ahuziagi ki ibu egbe, ni u Biafra agitator. Ajuziagi, ebu ibu now. Or una akaji Nnamdi Kanu eji, ki iji buru egbe, ki uo nyoshi. Now what eje. So Soludo made a very grievous statement that shouldn't have come from a governor. Nnamdi Kanu put out today. This crime aina aho na Igbo ababie kamiri. Nnamdi Kanu put out today. Ndani na ebu egbe, mande no n'ime ohia, mande no n'ụzọ. See that how Biafra agitators. One day they will disappear. They will disappear. Maybe Soludo doesn't know that. He said in age makamna log, jiri makamna log, abiata hapoziam, gi kana lokwa the same og. If run the jigaka gemebo and we can obro makam ki log kambish. Now got a by age. So Soludo made a mistake, and I want Soludo to correct himself. Correct your Nwegi. Your Excellency, the governor of Anambra State, correct your mistake. You made a mistake, sir. Okwa Hikuru is a blow to effort to need Ndi Igbo na agba if Nnamdi Kanu futa. It's not good, sir. You are a professor. And as a professor, you screen and sieve the things you say as a professor. The issue of insecurity is a very sensitive one in Alibo. And I don't like anybody. Our main target and focus 2025 is the release of Nnamdi Kanu. And all Nnamdi Kanu Nnamdi Kanu is there on our behalf. He speaks for Ndibo. But unfortunately, of course, Omelan, but it doesn't stop the work of Jehovah from going on. It doesn't stop the work of God from going on. Ndị dị ka anyị na-ekwuchitere ndị Igbo ọnụ ha, na-ekwuchitere ndị steeti anyị ọnụ ha, na-ekwuchitere ụmụnne anyị ọnụ ha. Chineke agaghị ekwe ka ihere mee anyị. Anyị gagodi mkpọrọ anyị ayọ. Ebe ọ bụla ebu anyị ji anyị na-ayọ. Mmadụ dị ndụ a ga-egbufuli anyị. That is the truth. Ọnọdụ ka Nnamdi Kanu na-aga isi na ị ga-egbulie. Gị nye poison, inyere ya manu. Inyere ya ọgwụ ọbara. Na-agọta ebe anyị na-eje. So what we are saying is that Nnamdi Kanu should be released. Ka anyị lezie ndị ga-ebu egbe ọzọ n'ala Igbo. Anyị jụọ ga ajụjụ. Si ga-egbe anyị na-ebu now, Nnamdi Kanu fụtara. Ị na-eburu ya onye. Iche m isi no agitation. Ọkwa release go Kanu, ị ka na-ebu egbe. Ebe Igbo ugbu a, onye ka iburu ihe. Ka kpọrọkpọtọ gbazia n'ihu efi. So my dear governor, the governor of Anambra State, Soludo professor. Okwu ahụ ikwuru, ikwute ihe. Motu. Ndewo.
Mr. Kanu, last one last question. The one last question. Reference to what she has asked earlier. One of the senior judges at this court.
And I have respect and love for her. She knows.
What if this case comes back to her? Because
it is not possible. It's not possible. This persecution of the Igbo people, this orchestrated, almost global persecution of the people stops with me. It cannot happen. Very well. It can never happen. That is why we do what we do. That is why I do what I do. I am campaigning for the freedom of my people because of the persecution that we are facing. Yes. It's as simple as that. Nothing more, nothing less. Yes.
Thank you very much.
The rules change.
People have sacrificed my parents for them. Why would I want to kill any other person after that?
Anybody who's committing crime in the name of IPOB zone
is a criminal. I've said it. He's a criminal and should be dealt with adequately.
Thank you.
We are here to fight for freedom, for justice, equity, and fairness. That's what we're fighting for. Nothing more, nothing less. And we cannot be cowed by anybody. We are without fear before our enemies. And we speak the truth always. I want all the journalists here arrayed to go and ask them, ask government of Nigeria, what happened to treasonable felons? Where are those charges today?
From 2015.
They've just disappeared because they have no evidence against me.
Anybody
committing crime cannot go scot-free. I swear it. They cannot go scot-free. Anybody involved in any type of crime in the East cannot go free. And they're doing it because I'm in DSS. That's what if I said no idiot can try this rubbish. And they know it very well. They know it very well. And I suspect that some people in government are complicit. Yes. They are making money with insecurity.
That's correct.
They're making money with it. They know Nnamdi Kanu is outside. In 2 minutes, this nonsense will stop. Who is the idiot? Who is the bagger? That will speak when I'm talking. Who is the fool? Who is the idiot? I ask. That I give an order in the East and any idiot will counter it. Who is the bastard? I'm asking you. Nobody can.
Sir, are you
I'm Nnamdi Kanu. Who is the idiot?
Rubbish. No, don't. No, man. No.
What is it?
Can you tell us the ongoing killings in the East in the name of IPOB? What is your stand on that?
Anybody involved in any form of violence or insecurity in the Southeast
the name of IPOB.
in the name of IPOB is a gunner, and they know it.
It's a nation.
Let me come out of this nonsense, this mess. 2 minutes only.
There will be peace
Only 2 minutes, I guarantee you.
and tranquility.
And there will be peace in the east, not just southeast. Everywhere in the east, if not the entire south. Huh?
Yes.
No, I want the hand. One here.
There will be justice. There will be justice. There is nothing under heaven. I'm going to get who is the back? So there is nothing under heaven that cannot be revealed. Are you getting? Whoever plays the role he plays, if man does not see the person, God sees the person, and God will bring that person to judgment. And whoever is doing what the judge is doing, that's such. So